to me here a kit that consists of a 60 centimeter solid satellite dish and a choice of brackets. So for mounting it onto a wall. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to start by giving an overview of the dish itself. So you can see here it's just a solid dish skin here, and coming inside a sealed cardboard box is the following componentry. So we have a bracket here for holding the actual LNB, and we have the dish bracket here that bolts onto the back of the dish, and we have the elevation brackets, U-bolts, etc., and nuts and bolts for assembling it. Now the key reason why this dish is so popular is twofold. The first thing is the fact that these two parts here, these two brackets, are made of plastic, means that it's very resistant to weathering, particularly in seaside locations. So if rust is the big problem, going for a dish with plastic arms and brackets is obviously advantageous. And the second thing is, on a direct head-to-head comparison between this 60 centimeter dish and a Sky dish, it actually has a higher gain. Okay, so it's a very, very well designed dish to that extent. When we come then and we want to choose what bracket to use with it, normally we would have sold this bracket here with a Sky bracket here, which is ideal. It gives full 180-degree rotation if we have a wall and want to be able to angle in various directions to try to pick up our signal. But increasingly we'd have a preference here for using this galvanized bracket here. The big advantage to this is that if we are in a seaside location, this bracket here, because it's galvanized and quite compact, it'll be far more resistant to weather and have a much longer life than a Sky bracket. So we've put that in as an option, and it's proved to be a very popular option with this particular dish. What I'm going to move on now is just cover the associated products with this that you could possibly need to add on or choose to add on. The first thing is to look at the installation kit with it. So if you have the dish, you'll obviously need to install it. So what we have is a roll of 20-meter cable here. We have these tie wraps here, and we also have this box here made up of plugs, bolts, F connectors, joiners, and clips. Everything we basically need for assembling or installing this dish onto a wall. And then also, of course, with a dish you'll need an LMB to pick up the signal. So if you don't have your own LMB already, you could buy a universal single LMB, which you can see here, one output. A twin LMB, which you can see the picture of here, with two outputs, and a quad LMB, which you can see here with four outputs. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 60 centimeter solid satellite dish with a choice of brackets available on our site.